What is included in our complete home inspections? Here are just a few of the many items that are included. First, we spend time on the exterior of your home, examining roofs, decks, grading, and more. After that, we spend a lot of time in your basement and attic, where we inspect much of the home structure and systems. Your HVAC system is one of the focal points as well, making sure it is in good working order. We also inspect your electrical panel and wiring, as this is one of the biggest safety items. We also test all of the plumbing in your home, turning on every faucet. And we make sure to test a representative number of doors and windows to keep your home secure. There's much more we inspect, so be sure to contact us for more details.